Oh, it's about 440. How about that? Ironically enough, 440. Christine's engine right there. Bye-bye. Getting the hell out of here. Same thing with the transmission right back there. F that piece of crap. That 466, it's history. We can't get any more parts to support it. And the place that I get all the soft seals for that damn thing, half the seals ain't worth a crap anyway. Open engine bay. We're ready for the next plant coming from Vic at Brevard Cylinder Head. The guys down there did a wonderful job on the 500 cube motor that's coming in. And John Cope's transmission, CRT Racing, did us a nice 65 slip yoke with park lock for the cable assisted and cable assisted typewriter transmission. I got mine next to it. There's the dual quads. I'm going to open up and clean out the bowls real quick. There's really nothing going on with these. They just need to be freshened up real quick, and then we're good to go. And that is Christine.